Generating a meme using image to meme. To begin, navigate to the dashboard and locate the meme generator icon. Click on it. This action will redirect you to the meme generator page. Upon arrival at this destined page, the first task you have to undertake is to upload the image of your choice that you want to transform into a meme. This can be achieved in two ways. Either use the drag and drop function to conveniently place your image, or manually search and select the image from your device's storage using the upload button. Next comes the fun part. Select the type of meme you wish to create. This will give your meme a specific tone and character. Various options are available to you at this stage with a drop-down button. These options include sarcastic meme for a sly or mocking tone, wordplay meme for clever puns and plays on words, wholesome meme to spread positivity, nonsensical meme for abstract and random humor, inspirational meme to motivate others, or roast meme to playfully tease. After making your selection, it's time to pick the language for your meme. This is an important step, particularly for multilingual users, as it ensures the meme's text will be in your preferred language. The following step involves adding context for your meme. This isn't a mandatory step, but it can be useful. Essentially, you're giving the AI some background or a general idea about what the image represents. This increases the chances of getting a more tailored and relevant meme based on your desires. Wrapping up, finalize the process by clicking the Generate Meme button. This command initiates the AI processes which turn your chosen image into a uniquely customized meme.